New York Life Calculator. The New York Life Calculator is an online tool designed to help individuals estimate their insurance and retirement needs based on their financial goals, whether calculating life insurance coverage, annuity payouts, or retirement savings. This tool provides personalized estimates to assist in making informed financial decisions. By entering key details, users can explore different policy options and plan for a secure financial future. 1. What is the New York Life Calculator? The New York Life Calculator is a digital tool that helps users estimate financial projections for life insurance, annuities, or retirement savings. It provides instant calculations based on income, expenses, future needs, and investment preferences, allowing users to make better financial choices. 2. How to use the New York Life Calculator. Step 1. Visit the New York Life website and select the calculator tool. Step 2. Choose the type of calculation you need, for example, life insurance, annuity income, or retirement planning. Step 3. Enter relevant financial details such as age, income, current savings, and desired coverage or investment goals. Step 4. The calculator processes the information and generates an estimated result based on the provided data. Step 5. Review the estimate, explore different options, and use the information to guide your financial planning. Third, types of calculators available. New York Life offers various calculators including life insurance estimators, retirement savings planners, and annuity payout calculators. These tools help users determine the best financial strategies based on their individual needs. 4. Benefits of using the New York Life Calculator. The calculator simplifies complex financial planning by providing instant, easy-to-understand estimates. It helps individuals assess their insurance needs, plan for retirement, and make informed decisions without the need for immediate consultation with a financial advisor. 5. Limitations of the New York Life Calculator. While the tool provides useful estimates, it does not account for all variables that may affect final costs or payouts. Actual policy terms, interest rates, and underwriting processes may impact the final numbers. So, it is advisable to consult with a financial expert before making major financial commitments. The New York Life Calculator is a valuable resource for anyone looking to secure their financial future by estimating insurance and retirement needs effectively. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.